In this particular video, I'm going to dive straight to it. The purpose of this video is to give you a blueprint on how to get funded, how to pass phase 1, pass phase 2, and lastly, how to make payouts. Because that is one of the biggest things many traders are struggling with capital. And with prop firms, they've found a way to combat or they've found a way to overcome capital. The prop firm that I recommend is Funded Next. I would also like to trade a 100k funded account. I'll be trading this particular challenge in a way that I'm a beginner. I won't trade it the same way I trade my other challenges while I'm using proper risk management, and most importantly, I am being conservative. And the best thing is that you don't have to rush yourself. So I'll be documenting the whole journey, guys. Each and every single trade that I will take, I'll document it doing account growing YouTube series, but this time I'm doing it in a prop firm challenge. I'm going to buy a challenge right now. I actually like to trade a two-step Stellar account. Watch this video up here. This is the video that I actually explained why I like to trade the Stellar two-step challenge. I obviously love the 15% performance reward, which is something that no other prop firm actually does. You can add all these other features for a percentage if you want to. I'm going to use PayPal for me to pay for this account. I'm literally just about to make my payment right now. My payment just went through, and this is my account details. Funded Next, a new plan has been purchased. This is my account, guys. Let's get the journey started. As you guys can see over here, literally just bought this account today. It's all real. Hope you guys are ready for this whole journey. I will not be aggressive. I'll be trading slow. It can take 2 to 3 weeks just to pass phase 1, 2 to 3 weeks just to pass phase 2, and lastly, it can take 2 to 4 weeks just to get the payout that we want, which is 10k and above, so that we can also secure our 15% performance bonus. This will be me analyzing in my office, and these are the type of trades that I'll be basically trading with you guys. If you want to be part of the people taking the same trades with me, then you need to join our FS Gold mentorship, guys. We've officially launched FS Gold mentorship. We've not been teaching for the past 2 to 3 years. Main purpose of this mentorship, guys, is to make sure that we'll be doing live trading with people. You can just simply go to fsgold.com and you're going to see our whole story, our whole journey, and this will be basically the packages for those who want to join. So guys, I hope you're excited about this as much as I am. This is going to be one of the insane journeys just to complete our Q4. Let's get the show on the road. FS Coach your mentor, let's go. Guys, today is a Monday and we're about to take our first trade. As you guys can see, I'm actually a bit late. I wanted to enter particularly at this area over here, which was the low that I was looking for to enter BTC/USD. On my personal account, I already traded this particular entry, but now on the Funded Next account, I haven't yet taken any trades, and I told you guys I'll be with you throughout the whole entire journey. Okay, so this is our first entry, just one entry, guys. This will be my stop loss area. I am willing to lose around $400, but overall I'm planning to make around $800. That is 2:1 risk to reward ratio. Only one entry now. Basically, the main aim, guys, is to try to be conservative. So this is actually my whole target area that I'm anticipating. BTC/USD is already flying. I just entered my first trade. Small risk. The reason I'm doing this, guys, is because many of you guys will be following the type of trades that I'm taking, the type of trading style and type of risk that I'm taking, and I want to teach you guys on how to be conservative and also how to use proper risk management. I told you guys this can take 1 week or 2 weeks and even 3 weeks for me to just pass phase 1, and this is completely different on how I'm trading my other prop accounts. But I want to show you guys what is the best way that you can trade a prop account as a beginner. I'll be showing you each and every update that I'll be taking on this particular account. Every trade, every stop loss, every profit, we'll be trading it together. Currently, I'm in small profits. I'm not trading money, I'm trading my setups. If my setup killed, then I actually won. Don't mind the sweating or even me breathing out loud. I just finished hitting the gym, guys. As you guys know, I'm making sure that health is well. Stay healthy, I make money, and most importantly, I stay disciplined. When I wake up in the morning, I pray to God, start analyzing the market, prepare for the day, see what am I looking at. Obviously, guys, I've already analyzed the day prior, but every time in the morning, I have to reanalyze again to see if my setup is still going in place. Then I know I'm ready for each and every day. And guys, here's another tip that I want to give you off, right? Always journal, guys. Time right now is currently 6:30 UAE time, which is obviously 2 hours ahead of South Africa. I'm not a chat zombie. I always give the market enough time to breathe. So let's check out my trade. BTC is definitely playing around today, guys. I should have actually traded gold. Look at that, guys. Yo, actually looks like it went to the downside first. 30 minutes time frame. It looks like it went down for a bit, basically to test that low, that retest, and it's still shooting towards the upside, right? That is my overall target. with this particular trade. So I guess I still have to wait, man. Still playing around. This is my setup here on my trading view. So as you can see, BTC USD, also known as Bitcoin. Let me show you something as well that I want you guys to do as well. Journaling, guys. Journal your trades. So I'm also going to start trading gold as well. Let me show you the pairs that I'm going to trade on this particular account. I'll be focusing on gold, US30, BTC USD, GBP USD, and lastly USD JPY. So now it looks like it's flying a bit. If I look at my chart there, which is pretty good, still going towards my setup. But now let's talk about gold, guys. There's a set of rules that I set for myself. I always make sure that I start with daily time frame all the way to 4-hour time frame. Identify bullish and bearish structure, higher highs, higher lows versus lower lows and lower highs. And then I also use 1 hour for confirmation of breaks or retests. And also the bias matters, guys. Gold trends strongly, guys. Trading against it, you'll basically be dominated by the market, which is very high risk. So guys, these are also one of the things that I'll be teaching, especially in our mentorship. Look at that, guys. Finally, BTC is flying. Not a lot of profits yet. I'm just basically testing out the risk appetite, and I want you guys to trade in this particular manner. I also gave this signal to my free community. Look at that. I said buy BTC USD around 4:30. People were happy. It's been flying, and now I'm definitely sure it's flying even higher. So this is my BTC trade that I gave to the free community. Already hit take profit 1. I am about to hit take profit 2 and take profit 3. This is obviously on my personal account. I'm very happy, and I'm very sure that my people are happy. My twin just updated that we hit take profit 1. I gave it all to the free community, guys. If you want to trade with us, make sure to also join our free community, whereby I give you guys free trades. And most importantly, I'm making sure that we all win together, man. This is amazing. Now, let me tell you something about gold, guys. This one pains me a lot. Gold always respects trends. So far, gold has been in a bullish trend. High highs, high lows. Obviously, this is 15 minutes time frame. Overall, guys, I'm sure most of you guys who are trading gold know that gold has been hitting all-time highs week in, week out. And today, I missed out on this beautiful trade. FS got your mentor, man. I just bought gold literally right now, guys. This is the 1 minute time frame. I want to show you something on the 15 minutes time frame. I'm currently using my Fibonacci strategy. I also just gave a gold signal as well, and looks like gold is already killing at this moment, guys. Let me show you something. This is really crazy, right? I'm going to go to 1 minute so you can see the chart properly. We just had fundamentals that came right now. I want to show you those fundamentals in the VIP group. I just gave the buy signal, and fundamentals just came in, whereby Trump policy shift won't break the back of US equally rally. Wolfer says this is actually one of the big people in the parliament of USA that literally changed the market. And right now, gold sold very hard, and after it sold, it gave me an opportunity to enter when I followed my fib level strategy. This area right here is what we call a buy zone area. So I entered my second trade today, guys, and gold is flying. Yesterday, BTC USD actually took me out. This was us yesterday. We're in profits at this particular area over here, but the market came back, took us out. As you guys can see, stop loss above entry. Every time I'm in profits, I'm gonna move SL above entry. Even right now, guys, I'm going to move my SL above entry just to protect my entry. Do you think I should move it now, my baby? Or I should literally just wait for a minute?
I think you should move it now. Respect your rules.
I respect my rules. Every time I'm in profits, I'm going to put SL above entry and hold the rest of the trade. So with this trade, I was willing to lose $600 or $400, but willing to gain $2,000. And currently it is flying, guys. This is crazy. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, FS Gojo mentor, man. Look at who we are, guys. This is Gojo's main cave. Gojo actually told us here, boys, pull over. I want you guys to see the office tour. The man them changed the whole house, guys, which is so crazy. But when we come here, we traders. I couldn't just come and not do anything when I have setups like this, bro. So we just came here, analyzed gold, and saw the most beautiful entry right now. And immediately after seeing that as a trader, I have to enter. As guys know where I am currently in the challenge, I entered gold earlier on, but it actually took me out. It actually took me out earlier, went back down to actually collect liquidity, and now it's coming back up. As guys can see there on the setup. Now, that's where I am, right? Trader vibes, bro. Look at this. Insane, bro. Check the office. Bro, motivation everywhere, guys. The man them has a whole library in the room.
Yeah, men's went all out.
Yo, it's
Men's
insane.
went all out.
What do you have for us?
Bro, let's kill the market.
2020 fight. You know the vibes.
I'm going to just play you guys a video whereby I'm actually onboarding my business class all the way to Malaysia. So watch this video up until the end and wait for part 2. FS Gojo mentor. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
the shoes I'm wearing.
Louis Vuitton, bro.
This is what we call it. And business life.
Yeah. Let's go then. What's happening, my bro?
I doing my G. Washing my hands now. We're about to feast. Literally just finished my wine, which is a good thing that I bought another wine at the business lounge.
Nah, guys, this is nice, guys. Check out Messi's chilling.
Jesus, my G.
Now I literally want to fly every day. Fun fact, guys.
Now I understand why business and first class people can say, guys, "Eish, the flight is so nice. Let's take another spin." Let's pretend like we missed the location.
Bro, the flight is so nice. I can no longer stay in one country for more than 3 months.
Never, guys. We can no longer stay in a country for more than 3 months. It's impossible. Like, ever since I've been to Dubai, we leveled up so much that I feel like, bro, each and every month now, we need to be in a new country. Each and every month, we need to experience the world. Before I hit 30, I'll have traveled to more than 30 countries. So the journeys began. We might have started late, obviously, because we came from unprivileged backgrounds, but today we're here, you know, we're privileged today. So it's time for us to catch up on the good deeds. Guys, if you want to win as a trader, make sure to click the link in the description below, trade with Xness and get funded with Funded Next. Just like that, you will definitely win in life, man. What do you say about it? Mashallah. No two ways about it, my G. So yeah, guys, let me show you the sweet wine. Look at that.
Nice, bro. Nice.
It's time to enjoy. I want to let you guys know that food was fucking plain. Super nice, bro.
I already chowed, guys. I already chowed too much. That's the problem, right? So I guess I want to see you guys in Malaysia.
For now, bro, I'm done.
The men them just landed now.
The plane is landing.
Yeah, we're in Malaysia. See you guys in the hotel. I don't know what they call it just yet, but we'll see when we get there, alright? Alright. It was the regular process, boy.
Regular process, bro.
Malaysia's airport is huge, guys. I can tell you. We've been moving for the longest time, but almost there. See you guys in the hotel. Okay. Just taking out some cash, guys. You can see. Just arrived. Just arrived. I like the currency. Looks nice.
Always withdraw some, have something to show
Yeah.
that the plane has landed. We're coming from here.
You're coming from here. Yeah. Now you're going to a different level.
Now you're going to a different level.
Okay, let's see the cash, my bro. Let's see the cash, my bro.
Boom. Different, my bro.
Balling in a different currency.
Alright, let's go.
What's up, my bro? We're in a taxi now. Okay, guys, it's time now. Going to the hotel now. It's gonna be nice. Trust me. I like the weather here. It's not too hot.
It's not too hot.
The weather is
Not like
nice.
Dubai or Thailand.
Yeah, the weather is nice here. So let's see what's happening in the hotel.
Yeah. Enjoyed the whole experience, you know. So let's see what's happening, guys.
Yes, sir. We just arrived. Guys, we just arrived.
Yo, check this
We
out. right?
just arrived, bro. It's so nice, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Look, Gucci, Fendi, everything. Rolex.
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah.
check it out,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sick.
See what we got here, bro. Let me go for a checkup, yeah? We'll go for a checkup before me. Welcome to my hotel, guys. Just arrived right now. Whoa, it looks very nice and very spacious. Oh, wow. This is obviously my working station here. This is where I'm gonna be pushing the work. My PC will be there. And yeah, bro. Whoa, it's so nice. Bro, this place is so nice, bro. So nice. Very happy, guys. I just arrived. Malaysia. Very happy. Beautiful room. Beautiful space. And this is the bathroom, how it looks like. Wow, very nice, guys. Very nice. 10 out of 10. I'm rating this place a clear 10 out of 10. Woo! Yeah, guys, we're here. Everyone is here. Kojo is here. Yes, sir. The bros are here. So now we're gonna check out the place, check out the mall, and just explore Malaysia. You know, guys, Malaysia is beautiful. Don't wanna lie, so beautiful. Hey guys, we decided just go on a bit and explore. I have 30 countries to visit, so still counting them up. Still have to go build my checklist, but yeah, but stay tuned, guys. There's a lot coming in store. Let's go. How you guys doing, man? We're here in the mall. It looks nice. Let me show you around. It's giving like Dubai, right? But in a different manner, different level, right? With the brews here. This is the brew from Durban, South Africa. Kojo from Ghana, and the ghost from Dubai. So man, we're just gonna see the place around, walk around, see what we're gonna buy and shop.
The content boys.
Content boys. Content boys. You know the vibes. Take it easy, man. We're going to eat now. That is the restaurant that we're going to. You check that out, The Empire. We were all the way down there, bro. We were all the way down there. Now we came all the way up here. This is where the food section is at. And this is where we're going. What's your name, bro?
Yeah, bro, a young starter there.
A young starter vibes.
Starting.
I can't wait to show you guys my starter. I also have we got a pepe. We have some pepe there, And we have my bro here from Durban. Yeah. How are you, my bro?
I'm good, guys. How are you?
Be nice, bro. Yes, sir. Easy.
Look at that. This is mine. TP's one.
You can even see the steam, yeah?
Yeah.
You can even see the steam, bro.
Bro, you can see my side, right? Always with the egg.
What's that? What is this?
What is this?
It's an egg.
Egg?
It's an egg, are you sure? Let me see. It's not an egg, bro.
Let me see.
Okay, it tastes different. It's not an egg.
It's not an egg,
But
bro.
Loki.
Probably like mozzarella.
Okay, I don't know what it is.
It's like a feta cheese. It's like feta cheese.
Okay.
It's feta cheese.
Eating this thing.
You think it's an egg? Imagine. Go just like how you eat it. You don't like it? It tastes nice.
You guys eat some of the weirdest things, though. You're the real African.
Listen to this man. Listen to this man. Also got some lamb chops. You guys know I love lamb chops, man. I'm a lamb chops fan.
If not, they
Im's got himself a ribeye as always.
You get what I'm
Because
saying?
I can know when it's gonna come.
Yes. When it's gonna come and then what
Looks
the
nice.
people talk about.
Let's chop.
Then I know.
Okay, guys, we had a fun-packed night. Everybody's back. You see some of the putting content. Let me show you the view. This is what I'm seeing, guys. So beautiful, guys. Malaysia is so fucking beautiful. None of you guys know, right? It's so amazing. As you can see, bro, I'm telling you.